So today I am going to show you an amazing Photoshop effect called circular pixel stretch effect. So let's get started. First of all, create a new layer of your choice. I prefer a square dimension layer here. Now create a gradient layer of your own preferred color in radial style. Now open the transparent image you're gonna use. Drag this image to our working layer. Resize it as required. Take rectangular mark tool, select a portion of the object, create a copy layer of it. Now select that copied portion and stretch it up to the ends. Now repeat this step for a second portion. Now merge the two stretched layers, drag it towards up. Now go to filter, then to distort and choose polar coordinates. So here the layer has changed into a circular stretched one. Now click OK. Now resize and place this layer as needed and erase the unwanted portion by masking. Double click on the object layer, click on drop shadow and create a shadow layer of it. Now erase the unwanted shadow area by masking. So here is the final effect and it's definitely an amazing one. So that's all for today. If you like my video, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.